Hi guys, it's Miss England. I am trying out the Screencastify app that we have on our Chromebooks, and I'm here at my house in Normal, and I wanted to walk you through what we're going to be working on for the next 4 days. Um, we are going to continue with our Is It Natural Selection question that we've been looking at. And I wanted to give you finally a chance to relate it back to you. So, as you can see, we're going to be looking at this question here. Human skin color, is it natural selection? So today I just wanted to give you a little bit of overview, say hello. Got my dog here with me on my lap. This is Rocky. He thinks if I'm on the computer that he should be on my lap. The twins are in bed. And I just wanted to hop on here and walk you through things. My goal is, we'll see how it goes, to create a video for you guys each morning or each night and then post it the next morning. So I can walk you through the assignment. So we're going to be working on the document in the classroom called Skin Color E-Learning. And this first page is just an introduction. So you can see there's variation in human skin color. It says if we look at coat color of many animals in nature, many animals have similar coat colors. Like lions all have very similar coat color, based upon its camouflage for them. If we look at giraffes or we look at zebras, but humans have different skin colors. So we're going to look at the question, is that a result of natural selection? We have learned so far, we have our natural selection checklist here. We have learned so far that there's like 4 factors if we're looking at a trait being caused by natural selection. So we know that it must have change over time in a trait. So this is something we're going to be investigating today. There must be variability, and yes, there is many different skin colors. It must have heritability. That's something we looked at last unit. And there must be some sort of reproductive advantage if there is directional selection in a trait. So this is what we're going to be looking at. This first page is just an overview of the next 4 days. So we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Monday the 30th. We're going to be doing the same concept for those 4 days. So by the end of the 4 days, these are the questions that you should figure out. You should figure out, how can we describe the variation in human skin color? Has human skin color changed over time? Is there a reproductive advantage to having dark skin? And is there a reproductive advantage to having light skin? And then finally, there's the application question, how did I get my own skin color? So I'd like you to be able to directly relate this to you. Today, we're going to answer 8 questions, and they're all found down below in this document. And by the end of these questions, you should be able to answer these 2 here that are highlighted. How can we describe the variation in human skin color, and has human skin color changed over time? So scroll down to page 2, and here's where they start. So I have some directions. It says answer the questions by referring to the diagrams and the links shared. Tomorrow I will go over the answers with you, so it's okay if you aren't sure of your answers. Just put down your best thoughts at this point. Also, you are welcome to do a virtual hangout or FaceTime with other members of Miss England's bio class, because their honors bio is all doing the same thing for me. Do social distancing, so just do it virtual. But you are welcome to work together if you want to on this, because we would have been doing these in our lab teams before. So the first question has us look at the Fitzpatrick Skin Scale and looking at your own skin color. Question 2 has us look at 2 different documents, this graph of skin color distribution map, and then this activity I usually have you do here, where I have you place the faces of these people where they live, but I just give you the key here because it was a lot. So then you're going to answer question 2. You'll scroll down. You'll look at your own ancestry. I gave you some time to talk to your grandparents and parents and say, where did I come from? For example, my ancestry, according to my great-grandparents, is I came from Germany. Okay, I'm running short on time, so you're going to finish the questions and